Arbortrim is Australia's leading provider of arboriculture qualifications. We work closely with industry to ensure our programs are relevant and effective and that they are improving the quality of arboriculture work in Australia. The Certificate 3 in Arboriculture is Australia's trade qualification for tree work, and it supports employers and their staff to be compliant with regulations and also to be competitive with other tree services. Qualified arborists continue to be listed on national and state skill shortages. That's why there are significant incentives for employers and their staff to support them through undertaking their Certificate 3 in Arboriculture. Arbortrim's Certificate 3 in Arboriculture is designed to balance your learning with our trainers and your practical skill development in the workplace. It's delivered 2 days per month over 18 to 24 months, and it's essential that trainees have the opportunity to practice those skills in the workplace when they're not with our trainers. Arbortrim are enrolling now for our next intake